What's up guys, it's Kensy back with another video, and today's video is going to be my Valentine's Day makeup look. And so I have on my pink velvet shirt that I usually wear on Valentine's Day. Not really sure what's happening right here, but so anyways, today's video is the makeup look, as I said. And if you're new, hi, I'm Kensy, and I do some makeup looks on my channel. I do DIYs and vlogs, so if you like those kind of videos, make sure you go down below and subscribe. Hit that big red button, and while you're down there, turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up if you are going to be single on Valentine's Day, or if you're going to have a date on Valentine's Day, because, you know, love month. So that's what this makeup look is inspired by. You can wear it to your dates or to school, anything really. So I hope you guys enjoy, and not much more to say, so we're just gonna hop right into the video. Woo. Okay, so there's a little bit better lighting when I get a little bit closer. So first off, I'm just gonna start by taking some of my Tarte and putting it on the base of my eyelids. So I'm going to blend this out if I don't drop the lid. I know they look crazy right now and don't really have a big mirror, so I'm actually going to open this, and here we go. So there's the base. Not the best view, but so now for my first layer, I'm going to be taking just a wide brush, and I'm going to be going in with the color a little bit of Cozy and Fireside on my Tarte Toasted palette, and then going in on the top.
You can mix in some pink colors here if you would like. This is kind of just going to be the corner. Kind of go along that bone right here.
Looks crazy now, but it'll look better in a minute. So now I'm going to be taking just some blush or pink eyeshadow. I'm using blush because it's kind of shiny. I'm going to be taking the darkest pink I have because this is kind of the darker part of the look, and I'm just going to go slightly under it and kind of over, so that you kind of get a little shadow kind of look. And now I'm actually going to be taking this color and doing my whole eyelid, so you're getting plenty on the brush. After I do that, I'm just going to kind of do little circles to blend them together. And so now I'm going to get a different brush, a slightly smaller one. Here it is. And I'm going to be going in with a little bit of Sunrise. It's kind of just a metallic-y color. It's got a little bit of glitter in it, so this is just kind of a glitter layer. I'm going to be taking another color from my blush palette, the middle one this time, and doing the corners of the eye. So after that's done, I'm just going to take my nice big poofy brush and kind of blend all of those colors together. And this color is kind of too far up on that side, but okay. So now I'm going to be taking my highlighter palette, and I'm going to be taking a kind of thicker brush. Going to be using this one. It's I'm not exactly sure the brand, but it's really fluffy and it's loose, not too tight. And I'm actually going to be taking the second color here, a little bit of the first and the second, and just going over the whole lid. This is going to give it a nice shine. And so now I'm going to be taking a pretty angled brush, and I'm going to be taking Candle on my Tarte palette and going very gently just in towards the middle of the lid, in the corner. And now I'm going to just take this brush again and do a little blending all together. Kind of looks crazy now, but not too shabby. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking for mascara. Gotta go grab that. Okay, so actually I'm gonna do a little swipe on with my spoolie. Just kind of getting them curved because I don't use an eyelash curler. And now I'm just going to be taking the Maybelline, the Color Soul or something like that. It's got this cheetah print bottle, and it's really good for kind of natural looking mascara, but also it's just my go-to mascara. And I have changed. I'm pretty sure the last time I filmed a makeup video, I was using my Revlon. So I have changed. And I don't do my bottom lashes because I just don't like how that looks on me. So now I'm going to just give that a second to dry. And while that's drying, I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows, which is pretty easy. Now going with my leftover foundation under the eye to kind of cover up any fallout. And now I'm just going to be taking some setting powder. That kind of spills, but it's fine. And just going all over. And cue the montage. So that was my bad about the montage, but I'm actually going to be using this just clear lip gloss. So just gonna throw that on really quick, and then we will have our finished look.
And you can totally do, your foundation steps here at the beginning.
Or you can go for a bit more natural look and do something like this. And you can add eyeliner, a lip color, and yeah, I hate when my eyebrow does this. It looks like I have a cat scratch. It's the most annoying thing, and it does it all the time. But yeah, now we're going to cue that montage. Okay guys, I believe that's all that I have. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, you can definitely add whatever you want to this. More highlights, change the colors. You can add more pink in the eye look. It's totally customizable, or just do your regular makeup look routine with this added on. And it's a really cute idea for Valentine's Day. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, Kensy out.